you also want to start a podcast like Milk and Lettuce, maybe make one even more refined than I do, I highly recommend going to anchor.fm. It's free. You do not need to pay them anything. You can have them publish it. They do have it on Apple, Google, Spotify, and others. You can just hit auto distribute and let them take care of the rest. That's what I did. That way I don't have to worry about any of all that. Yeah, words can be hard. But yeah, it's totally free. You can make money. There's no minimum listenership required. There's many different tools all right there. Download the free Anchor app or go to anchor.fm to get started. And please send me your podcasts. I would love to listen to them. Thank you so much. Thank you to you, the listener, and to Anchor FM for being the new home to Milk and Lettuce. Off to an awkward start. That's cool. I don't know what's picking up. So I know I just did a recording about this too, but so there's been some developments in the mailbox issue. So apparently my office, which, like I said, the office is right across the street from me, they have not been getting mail. My housing office. Yeah, I don't know. But basically, had to yawn apparently. But okay, so here's what's going on. Basically, the construction company said that they were going to move our mailboxes. I glitched. That was cool. That was just me. That wasn't digital. But anyway, okay, so they said they were going to move our mailboxes, right? Well, no, they haven't. The local postmaster, I don't know if that's what they're called, the manager basically for the post office here in town, said that, okay, so she told me, like, yeah, he hasn't been delivering because it hasn't been safe to. It's a safety issue. And that's basically what she told my housing management. Because we had a pretty lengthy phone conversation about all of it. Tell you right now. Yeah, it was like 16 minutes of talking about this, trying to figure it out. Oh, cords are tangled. Oh well. Okay, so yeah, we had a pretty lengthy conversation trying to figure out what's going on and how to address, and remedy this issue. And she told me, like, yeah, we had something go out on Friday and was still there when we came in on Monday. And it's like, cool. Yeah, actually, come to think of it, I didn't get any of my mail from last week until Monday. Or some shit like that. And it's like, well, no, they don't have construction on Saturday or Sunday, apparently. They quit doing that shit and simplified to just Monday through Friday. So yeah, there's no reason why they shouldn't be doing mail shit on fucking Saturday here. But anyway, so That's gotta get tightened. Ugh, I keep yawning. Anyway, so basically, she said, the post office manager, whatever, she said that, I keep saying, but basically, but yeah, so she said that, because there's no safe way to do mail delivery, they're just not going to. So they're just gonna keep all of our mail at the post office. Like, cool. What about people who need their fucking mail? Like, and she said, well, we can tell everyone about it. And my housing manager was like, yeah, we'll do it. So they're working on informing everyone right now, because this has been going on for 2 weeks now, and does not appear to be improving anytime soon. I keep yawning. Anyway, like I said, I don't really edit my my podcast. I tried it in my last 2 or whatever, and I haven't heard any feedback. I don't know if people like it or don't like it. I don't know. But yeah, so the construction company was supposed to get the mailboxes moved. So they were all going to be on the northernmost street of the housing complex. Well, no. They did not. Instead, they are like, well, we're not ready for that yet. So it's going to be another week or 2 before we can look into starting on that. And it's like, okay, but you just like removed the entire road and sidewalk to the fucking post boxes. Whatever you want to call them. Yeah. So, what? Nobody in this housing complex is allowed to get their mail until you decide you're ready for us to get our fucking mail? I'm sorry, that's not how it works. And I feel fucking terrible for people who have medications or medical equipment shipped through USPS. And yeah, like VA, Veterans Affairs, uses USPS. Unless they quit doing that. I know that they used to, because I had a roommate who got his meds through the VA, and it all came through the regular post office. So yeah, like, if we have anyone around here who gets medications in the mail, I get fucking medications in the mail. You know? Like, we already have issues nationwide with the fucking post office right now. Like, don't fucking tell me you or someone you know has not bitched lately about delayed packages or mail. Because I know everyone has had this recently. At least once in the last year. And not to mention, so Grim, my roommate, significant other, whatever you want to call him, whatever he wants to be called, I'm not sure. Anyway, so he had something get, quote, delivered. There was nothing in the box, because we have like a wall of mailboxes type deal. There was nothing in there. It said delivered in mailbox. Okay. Why wasn't it in the fucking mailbox? And here's the thing too. So I talked to my housing manager about this earlier too. Well, former housing manager. I don't know what exactly she does, but she still works there. I think she's just like the highest up, but she's not like my complex manager anymore. Anyway, so she also has less of an accent. I'm just realizing this. Peculiar. Anyway, she used to have a really thick accent. It was kind of difficult to understand her. But I also haven't talked to her in 2 years. So, anyway. I haven't had any reason to, which is probably a good thing. But anyway. Like, I only really talked to her when trying to figure out rent. But we got that situated. It's been like 2 years, so yeah. No, like, anyway. She, like when I was talking to her, and I'm like, wait, but we still have like all of the old mailboxes. Every single fucking unit still has these affixed to the unit. As I said in my last podcast episode. Like, yeah, we still have these fucking old ass mailboxes. Like, they could just deliver to those, walk alongside the buildings, and like deliver as if we didn't have the walls of mailboxes. Like, sorry, we don't need a key to get into the mailbox wall. We could just have a fucking normal ass mailbox like everyone else. But no, they apparently, nope, it's unsafe. We can't walk along the buildings in the grass away from the fucking equipment. Like, are you goddamn serious? And I'm gonna call her G. G fucking told the post office, like, because post office was like, well, the construction crew doesn't know when the mailman's there. And she's like, no. He can just, like, try to flag him down, like, give me 5 minutes so I can put mail away. Like, or, she even, repeated what I said, like, or just use the old mailboxes. Because, yeah, the old mailboxes are still fucking there. Like, I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking call them tomorrow and be like, look, just use the old mailboxes. I think I said I'm gonna call them, but I didn't call them. Like, I think I said that in my last episode regarding this stupid shit. And, like, it's so fucking stressful. Like, okay, I do not have any of, like, my anxiety meds shipped through the post office. Like, I could for $10. Or it could just go to Walgreens for free. Unless I feel like driving. Then it's like gas. But I can walk there and it's totally free. But yeah, like, I could do that and just have them shipped to me. But I'm like, I even said, so when I talked to her about that, to my provider about that, and I said, well, how much does it cost? She's like, it'd be an extra $10 a month. And I'm like, okay, but who does it ship through? She's like, USPS. I'm like, yeah, no. Never fucking mind. No. Like, I would never get them. Especially at this rate. Holy fucking cripe. Like, I have informed delivery. And even G's like, yeah, no, I have that too. Like, I know when I'm supposed to get mail, and so, like, I expect to get the mail. It's like, exactly. I had something that was supposed to be delivered yesterday, apparently. Didn't fucking see it. Apparently, I had 2 things supposed to be delivered today, and I didn't fucking see it. And, like, here's the worst part about it. We do not know if it's sitting on that goddamn truck to, quote, attempt delivery again. Or if they're just holding it there. Because that's apparently what they did all last week. So technically, none of our mail sat at the post office until like 5 o'clock when they close. So like, it's not like we can just go there and demand our mail, because they drive it around fucking town. Like, they are literally just hanging on to it in the truck, but then not delivering it. So it's like, why the fuck do we not get our goddamn mail? Just deliver the fucking mail. That's all we ask. So, and there's 4, I believe. There's 4 total mailboxes plus the office. And there's like a couple things in the office. But, so the office hasn't been getting their mail. 2 of the box walls have not been getting their mail. 2 of them have. One of which is on that North Street. The second one is very close to the North Street. It's like, so many fucking postal workers have to actually get out of their car and walk along the street, door to fucking door. And it's like, you can do that. I get it. Maybe this is your route because you don't have to really get out of your vehicle except to go up to the wall, get back in your vehicle, and whatever. But no. You are fully capable. Because I'm pretty fucking sure dude's younger, or at least my age. Like, I'm in my late 20s. Like, if there are fucking post workers that are in their 40s, 50s, 60s doing the shit, there's no excuse for you not to. I have mobility issues and could still fucking go door to goddamn door, putting mail in the mailbox and moving on to the next one. It ain't fucking rocket science. God damn. I'm fucking sick of this shit. I just want my mail. And like, if you go to my bio FM, have it listed there under causes I'm supporting right now. But like, there's this charity that I work with. I've been working with them for a couple of years. Like, as of this year will be my 2nd year. And I'm doing this challenge again, and like, I was supposed to have something delivered by them today. As far as I know, it was today. Because that's when I saw it. Although I opted out of it, so I don't know when I was mailed anything. But, let's see here. Yep, processed through USPS facility. Arrival at unit. How many times is the post office gonna make me say the goddamn word unit? Anyway. Out for delivery. That was probably picked up. Out for delivery at 6:48. And I have this as my thumbnail for both this one and my last episode regarding this topic. No access. No access. At 2:47 in the afternoon. No fucking access. And the whole thumbnail literally states, alert, delivery attempted. No, it didn't. No access to delivery location. First of all, if it's a package, I have seen these motherfuckers put like a fucking 5x7 padded envelope thing that is totally flat could slide in the fucking slot of the outgoing, because the outgoing has the slot which almost nothing fits in, but this 5x7 envelope would fucking fit in there, no goddamn problem. But they would not put that in my mailbox. They would put it at my front door, and it's like, why the fuck can you not put it at my front door? What excuse do you have? Like, why is this still an issue? And like, if they try to fucking say, well, we'll just wait till the construction's done, so nobody gets their mail for 3 months. Or like, almost 2 months. Hopefully. 2 months. We can finally have our fucking mail delivered. What? How does this make any sense? Because yes, they started the shit at the beginning of May. I got a letter stating, and they set it up so shittily too. I got a letter on May 3rd saying everyone needs to move their cars by May 4th. We just found out today. Or no, May 5th. We all had to move our cars by May 5th. We had 48-hour notice. Not even 48 hours. Notice that we all had to move our vehicles off the fucking strip because they were going to rip up the whole road. They're going to do all the water. And even Grim was complaining about the water pressure. Like, yeah, they fucked our water pipes up. They're apparently doing all the pipes, all the sewage. Which, seeing how terribly they've been working so far, and that I don't feel comfortable with that. Great. But yeah, basically they're going to redo everything, and they hope to have most of it done by July 31st. Hope it's mostly done by then. So, yeah, I don't think this will be done by the end of the year. Honestly. And this is northern Minnesota. It snows here. Like, we just got our good fucking first 2 rains recently. Like, within the last couple weeks. You had one over the weekend and one like a week or 2 ago. Like, it's been recent that we finally got rain. We've had a very dry spring. It's already June. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Fuck USPS.